So that place is pretty mad. My old nemesis sand, we meet again. The wasps have come out of nowhere and they're attacking me. So the last 2 weeks I've been staying here at Last Minute Ranch, which is in Crescent Lake in Oregon. I actually stayed here 10 years ago, almost to the day, with Thompson, the owner. I've been practicing my drone flying skills, as you can see. There's over 40 goats here, 2 alpacas, Shiva the turkey, a peacock, geese, ducks, a peahen and her newly hatched chicks, baby turkeys and chipmunks, not to mention all of the dogs. The bike got her first wash, which was long overdue. I ended up building and repairing some of the fencing, housing the animals, and got to hang out with Pepe, the puppy, as well as drinking beer and enjoying the view. So I'm just leaving Last Minute Ranch, where I've been for, I guess, over the last 2 weeks, probably the last 16, 17 days, which I hadn't planned on originally, but got here, spent a couple of days and was like, why not? The weather's good, just chilling. But now I'm gonna move on, and the first stop today is gonna be in a little town called Chemult. And I'm just gonna top up fuel and stuff there, and then we're gonna head into southeast Oregon, go see hopefully a lake or a reservoir, camp around that area, and yeah, just play a beer and see how many miles we cover today. But the weather is good, and yeah, here we go. I will probably be lucky if I can squeeze a liter of fuel into this tank, but the new methodology or the new tactic is to take it while you can get it. And that way the next time we get close to running out, it can be like, well, I tried. So this is going to be the first little bit of the off-road section today. Apologies mother, apologies auntie if this is going to wreck your nerves, but this is where we're going. get onto the right trail at the start, because there's always a few different options, so it should be us. She is silty, right? Also the last 2 weeks I've been chilling at that ranch, just taking it back in a few times, but I haven't had any of the luggage on, so it's been really light and easy to maneuver. And now it's just get used to that extra weight again. Just so silty and dusty up here. This is all mostly volcanic rock. This is littered with volcanoes, and then this is what you get. My old nemesis sand, we meet again. That's pretty deep as well. Ooh, I really know which way I want to go. Definitely could use some oil on these brakes by the sounds of it as well. Oh shit. Now's a good time to check if we're actually on the right path here. I don't even know if you can see them on the camera, but all these wasps have come out of nowhere and are attacking me. Wasps and flies and whatever the hell they are. Lovely. Now I'm hoping this terrain changes just around this corner. Gotta see. That's better. But you just never know when it's going to turn into that silt again. And normally it comes out of nowhere. It's so hard to see any of the changes of terrain as well, with the shadows and the lights which are moving. And the backside. just seems to be this road. The road that keeps on giving. So I've just pulled over and checked the maps from here, and by coincidence I have a pin saved. It's about 4 or 5 miles from here, and it's a place called Cowboy Dinner Tree, and it's supposed to be an interesting place to have food. I think Tom's given this link, and apparently you just go in and you can't order what you want. You just say you want food and then they just bring you random stuff. Don't know if that's still the case, but we'll go and check it out. And then I think from there, there's a campsite about 10, 15 miles away. I'll probably go there for the night, but we'll do that. We'll do that and see how it goes. So that place is pretty mad. You get in, everybody had a reservation. I think they're all staying in cabins nearby. But the girl got me a table for one. You go in, she goes, "I've got a steak on for you, honey." I was like, fair enough. Brings out a big bowl of salad, work away at that. Come out, next course is like dinner rolls. There was like 7 or 8 of them, plus a big bowl of soup. And then she brings out the steak, which must have been at least a kilo. And that came with a baked potato, cheese, bacon, and chives, and sour cream. And like, I struggled. I probably only ate half of it, if even, but you get to take the rest away. And then she brought out some dessert, which I wasn't prepared for, but it ended up being a reasonable size. But yeah, then it was cash only, and at this point I'm like, I definitely do not have enough money to pay for this meal, because I mean, I don't know how much that steak would be back home, but it would be a lot just to buy, never mind being in a restaurant. But yeah, came out to 50 quid, $50 for everything. Is that about 35 quid, 40 quid? So yeah, couldn't beat it. So now I am going to go and find this campsite, which should only be about 10 miles away from here, and yeah. it's going to be like, or if there's even space at it. But I did see another one, like a pullover area at the side of the road a few miles back, so that'll be plan B if this one doesn't work out. I'm also hoping this isn't bear country, because I have half of that steak in my backpack, and I do not think I'm going to be able to do it. Stay campground. 17 camping units, 1 boat launch, 1 toilet, 2 water hand pumps. Sweet. It is a Friday, but these places do get busy at the weekends, but I'm not known for the sea. Wow. Look at that. Look at that for a view. Yeah, I think here is the spot. Here will do.
Trouble so hard, ooh Lord, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Ooh Lord, my trouble so hard, ooh Lord, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody